welcome back to my channel Nihad Systems. So welcome back, and today's video is about how to make outro in powerdirector. So we uploaded a video how to make intro in powerdirector. If you didn't watch it, go and watch now. And if you see in my videos, last 22 or last uploaded videos, you'll see some outros like thanks for watching, or I will say, you can say there will be showing thanks for watching, subscribe, and there will be two videos pop up like so. That type of things are called outro. The videos uh, end the videos end portion the videos end portion is known as outro. So in YouTube videos it is famous, outro is famous. Most of the videos have outros, so some of them don't know how to create outros. So today we will be looking on it, and these are the outros that you may see, yeah, in my videos. These are the screenshots in my videos, like these outros. There are some outros just like this in my videos. That is a video, but these are photo identities. That means these are photos. If you want video, it will be more great, like this one. Both of these are photos. We are going to make a photo. So click on the powerdirector. Make sure, I think you don't need to connect to internet anyway. These are my last video. If you didn't watch it, the links are in the description box and I button as well. So today we gonna create a new project. As I was saying, YouTube videos are 69, and we are going to click on the photos, and in here color board has so many different backgrounds. I love the color board, so you can customize your background. I will select this light blue, so let's play. Okay, we need to length this outro, and we need to add some we need to add some more. So click on that, click on photos, click on color board again, and color board we need two of them. So you need to adjust this and bring it on the left, or and another on the right as well. So you need to click again and color board this. Okay, so we need to adjust at the same level. I hope no, it is not that correct. We need okay. We need to just. I'm not that professional, but I will show you how this is made. Okay, this is even better. I need to adjust this. Okay, this a little bit distance is little bit distance is here, so I'm not that professional. There will be so many mistakes, so I have to apologize. I apologize. This is thing hard. You need both to adjust in the same level. Both are same. I need to adjust this. Both in same. This is just like amazing. And we need to put some text on here. So click on the text and let's edit it. And click thanks for watching. And we adjust this on the same level. We need color for this, so I gonna make just gray. Okay, you can see we need an animation. So click on that and animation. In animation, yes, I think this is better. This thing is better. And click on animation and out animation. Okay, balloon. So click on the text again. We are going to make a new one and adjust it just the same way and put it on here. And we need to make another as well. Another test as well. It will be on the left side. Okay, on the left side. Both are adjusted properly. So let's name this one, subscribe to the channel, and this one we will make Nihad systems, our channel name, on the space over here. Okay, done. And we need to make it adjustable. Okay, this is better. Let's see. I think everything needs some animation. So let's say pop-up 1. Both of them need pop-up 1. So let's click on the pop-up 1. And here also pop-up 1 as an outro. And we need subscribe button, subscribe as an as pop 1. Now it looks better. So we need the both color boards and animation. So click in animation. Brush 2 is better. So we need to click both of them. Brush 2. Brush 2 is better. So click on the brush 2. Brush 2. Okay. I think now everything is better. This is how it looks like. So I think this is better. You can add, one more thing we need to add is the subscribe social. Click on the social media. There are more. Click like button. Subscribe button as well. There is subscribe button. Okay, subscribe button. And now where is subscribe button? I don't see any subscribe button. Let's see, is there any new? Okay, in case there is no subscribe button here, you can use this one. Okay, everything's according to plan. We just need to adjust, I say. Okay. Okay, we need to clear all of these things. Clear. So I think everything is better. Okay. Everything is according to plan. So now, before that, we need to cut the remaining part. everything is right. So I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. So comment down below what is the next video. So I will choose the comments, or I will decide something better in the next video. So I hope you like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment as well. So see you in the next video.